Alright, so starting a mission here, pull up the map, you can see all the telemetry data. That's the elevation changes that are going to go on during. Over on the left hand side you can see there's some control items that might want. I can pop in and out of the camera view and see it's popping and doing what's called smart oblique, taking three pictures really quick. That's the sound. We can also pull up here what's going on data-wise as far as looking for obstacles or anything that we might run into. And back to the control data. Looks like this mission has 25 minutes left. You can see the white areas there that's poking up. That's the camera angle. The little triangle flying is the bird. You can see where I'm at over at the H for the home spot. And then we can see the task is running as well. Pretty cool technology.